lunges coming. Step it out. Go right. Hold. Bring it in. Hold roll. I like this song. Other side. Bring it in. Full roll. We're fanning up. Strong arms. Go. Pedal it out. Really stretching those hamstrings. Deeper each time. Stand it up. One more. Okay, right leg forward, low lunge hold. Hold it. Arm up. Pulsing. Arm is always optional. You can always drop that back. Right here. Go. And fold. Half lift. Down to plank, first variation. Tap your shoulders, right, left, go. Tap. Tap. Now, down dog. Step it in, stand it up. Yeah, fan it up. Go. Yeah. Lower body is next. You ready for a leg burner? Stepping in. Here we go. Get ready? You can just dance if you want. Okay, it's optional. You just want to tap it in. That's all good. Keep your chest up though. Yeah. Lunge connect, hit the ground. Go down, pull it in. Touch the ground, connect the ankles. Holy cow, you can always come up. Then go back down. Okay, triple in the back, right here. 3, 2, now extend it up. Hold. 3, 2, press to that heel. Go. Press it up. Fly, now right arm, and then your left. It's fly, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Yeah, straight arms. One more. We're going to that triple pulse bowl. Go this way. 3, 2, then tap it. Again. 3, go deep, go deep. We can do it. I know our legs hurt. It's okay. We're supposed to. Okay, support a bowler. Take your time, sink down. Core tight. No flopping over. Triple bowl to the left. Go. 3, 2, tap it. Are you going deep? I know your legs are resisting you right now. They're screaming. Don't listen to them. One more. 2 more. And then we did it. One more. Yeah, rock it out, rock it out. Hey, that one was fun too. Squats to the end. Out and in. Out. In. One more. Now quick one. Edge arms. Out. In. Hey, back for the push. We have 2 of them. Push, not pull down. Again, one more. Rear adductor hold. Walk it forward. Get ready. Press up to warrior 3 right here. Press. Mountain. Again. Crouch down right here. One more. Then we got the low lunge. Ready? Step back, swing it up, and hold. Okay, we're gonna cut everything in half. Step back for the push right here. Push. One more. Adduct, reach back and hold. Walk it, one more. We're going right into the cross, stepping to the left. T, cross, T, one more. Chair, left leg comes forward to sit. Here, creep, hold up to tree. One more. Low lunge, step back, swing up. Yes, okay, just lift everything up for that push from the top. Push it out, go, push. One more push to mermaid. Readjust your shoulders over your wrist, pushing your hips forward, reaching towards the back corner. Lift it up, switch, step into plank. Right leg forward. I kind of forgot we were sitting in pigeon for a long time. The song is so good, I get lost in it. We did it! Piyo round 63, done!